Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve which is larger 36 power 32 or 16 power 44. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 36 I can write it as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 whole power 32. Similarly 16 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 power 44. Now 2 times 2 is 2 square, while 3 times 2 is 3 square, whole power 32. Here 2 power 4, whole power 44. Now according to exponent rule, x power m times y power m, we can write it as x times y whole power m. So 2 power 2 times 32 is 64 times 3 power 2 times 32 is 64. And here 2 power 176. So 2 power 64 times 3 power 64. 2 power 176, I can break it as 2 power 64 plus 112. According to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 2 power 64 times 3 power 64. If we compare, so 2 power 64 times 2 power 112. Now 3 power 64, I can write 64 as 4 times 16 and 212 as 7 times 16. According to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power n. So 3 power 4 whole power 16 and here 2 power 64 times 2 power 7 whole power 16. 3 power 4 is 81 whole power 16 and 2 power 64 times 2 power 7 is 128 whole power 16. Now if we compare 2 power 64 both sides equal, so we can eliminate as well by dividing it both sides. So we have to compare 81 power 16 or 128 power 16. So 128 power 16 is larger. So we can say that 16 power 44 is larger than 36 power 32. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.